Hello everyone. If you wanna set your own ringtone on your Motorola Razr 50, well, first of all, you're to open up your settings. Now, in your settings, you're to scroll down to your sound and vibration tab. Here it is. Let's open it up. Now, here we're gonna scroll down until we'll find our phone ringtone tab. So as you see, there are two options for a SIM card and an eSIM, which is really cool because you can set up two separate ringtones on each of your SIMs. Now let's choose our phone ringtone on our SIM card. So as you see here, we've got some preset variants. You can choose among them, or if you want to add up your custom one, simply press add ringtone and choose from your files which you have. For example, let's choose this one. Now confirm your choice by pressing check mark at the top right corner and make sure to choose this option, just like this. Press OK, and basically that's it. You're all set. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.